Atlanta at the IWF 2008 this year, and we are at the Franklin International booth, the makers of Titebond glues. With me is Heather Dages. She's going to tell us a lot about the product, and the company itself is just, I think, where we want to start. Is that right?
Sure.
Great.
Most people know us for the Titebond glues. Our brand name is well known in the woodworking industry. We've been making glues and adhesives, solving problems for woodworkers for over 70 years now.
Very cool. In a very good way. Now, when you decide that you need to launch a new product, how do you decide that has to happen?
Well, we're very focused on meeting the needs of our market.
Okay.
We do a lot of research, grassroots approach to talking with woodworkers, end users, finding out what they want, what they need, and based on that, we have a pretty good product line. We have plenty of glues for cabinet shop, woodworking needs. We've developed glues that have longer working times,
right.
And we've recently discovered there's a need for a fast-setting glue.
Which is commonly referred to as CA, cyanoacrylate?
That's correct. Most people think of them as super glues or
right.
instant glues.
Okay. Now, so you saw that was a need in the category?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the Titebond answer is not necessarily the standard CA glue?
Correct.
Okay. Tell me why.
All right. Well, our new product line is Titebond Instant Bond Wood Adhesive. We call it a wood adhesive because it's specially formulated for bonding wood and wood products.
Yep.
Like most CA glues, they're very versatile.
Right.
They can be used on metal, plastic, rubber, granite, laundry list of your common
Fingers
substrate.
if you're not careful.
That's
right.
right.
Yes.
But they are specifically formulated to bond wood.
Got it. Okay, so that's obviously an application for the woodworker, which we like.
Exactly.
Now you have a few different products here. Obviously, are these all in the CA category?
Yes.
Okay.
All of these are cyanoacrylate glues. We just offer different viscosities.
Okay.
Okay.
And viscosities mean?
Thickness.
Okay.
Yeah, that's basically the thinner thickness of the glue. Rheology comes into play, but
okay.
Thickness is a good word.
Ooh, it's a good one. Okay. Walk me through what's here.
Okay. First we have the thin, and this is really thin, water thin, 5 centipoise, very close to the viscosity of water.
Okay, when would you use that?
This is great for wicking into hairline cracks, fixing voids and checks in punky wood.
If you're turning, that sort of a thing?
Absolutely.
Great, okay.
It's also used, surprisingly, as a finish.
Aha.
Some of your hobbyists and serious woodworkers will use it as a finish.
Cool, okay.
Okay, and then we also have the medium. This viscosity is about 120 centipoise, so it's still pretty thin, but thicker than this one.
Okay.
Okay. Then we have the thick, and this is about 2,400 centipoise. Your Titebond II is around 3,000, so it's close to Titebond II. Okay. Then you've got the thick. Oh, I'm sorry, that was the thick. This is the gel. The gel is very thick.
Okay.
Sorry.
And obviously a little empty at this point. They've been using a lot of it. So.
The gel will actually hang onto the surface of the wood. It won't wick into the wood as well. It's about 60,000 centipoise.
So that would work as a gap filler as well?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Also work very well on porous woods and MDF.
Okay.
They're using it to bond miter joints in a crown molding application.
Mm-hmm.
Very popular because it won't get sucked into the end grain.
Okay, now you've got 2 more bottles here at the end.
Yes, these are the Activator. It's a heptane-based activator.
Okay.
We chose heptane because it won't mar the finish on a finished piece of wood.
Smart.
And this basically accelerates the bonding of the glue.
Cool. Now, we have some demos here maybe? You want to show us how to glue something together?
We sure can.
Okay.
Let me see. We'll use the medium for the demo.
All right.
Okay.
Are we going to do wood to wood?
Yes, we'll do wood to wood.
Okay.
What we recommend is that you use the adhesive on one piece.
Okay.
And then you're going to spray the activator on the other piece.
Got it.
Okay. And then when you put them together, you get almost an instant bond.
Give it a rub.
Give it a rub, put it together, and you're good to go. Okay. So those are pretty much together now.
Can I pull on it? You going to let me?
A little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that would hold.
Yep.
Maybe not a chair quite yet, but cool. Okay.
The activator cuts your overall cure time basically down to 8 hours compared to 24. You do not have to use the activator with all of these products. It simply accelerates the curing time.
Got it. So 24 would be to a total cure.
Right.
8 hours with the activator.
Exactly.
Great. Now, you've got different sizes here too.
Right.
Obviously, different applications. If you're at home, you're not going to use this as often, so you've worked with smaller sizes too?
Exactly. We have a 2-ounce size available, the 4-ounce, and then your 8-ounce, which you'll find in the cabinet shops.
Right, of course, and usually used quite a bit, yes.
Right.
Right. Now, if they want to find out more about this product, where can they look?
you absolutely can go to www.titebond.com.
Great.
Find all the information, the technical data sheets, the MSDSs, product information. You can also call the technical service group at Franklin.
Okay.
1-800-347-GLUE, which is 4583.
Of course.
And then you'll be able to find our products at cabinet shop distributors that carry Titebond products.
Great. Now, even though this is formulated for wood, you can use it for other applications,
Yep.
cross cabinet, or cross concepts to plastics. This
Metal.
is even a rubber.
Rubber, metal. This is a
Okay.
great, I love this demo here.
Oh, okay, all
This
right.
metal. Put a little bit on here. Put them together. You can, the other thing I wanted to mention is that you can use the activator after the fact. You can put it on one piece, or if you want the wiggle room and the time,
Right.
you can put the adhesive together and then spray the activator on the outside.
Cool.
But this is
Already
pretty.
there.
Yeah, that's really neat, I think. And then rubber also.
All right. Let's glue some more.
This is what we like to do. So you just kind of, and here's a good example of using the activator after the fact. That really
That
accelerates
evaporates
it.
pretty quick usually. So,
Right,
right?
because
Yeah,
it's a
so-
solvent.
Good.
Absolutely.
Cool. Well, if you need something stuck together in wood, this is a fast way to do it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Heather.
Thanks, Dave.
Okay.